Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to forcefully open or launch any program in maximize size window in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, let me open a notepad just to give you an example. And let me try to maximize it. Now let me try to close it and let me try to reopen it. So you can see here it will open in the normal size. So in order to forcefully open or launch any program in maximum size window, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, search for one application named as Auto Window Manager by using. On the first is you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see your different download options. So you can click on any download option, whichever you want to click. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run the software installer. Click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. Now you can just click on the skip. Now you can see this kind of user interference. So it will display all the running program. So now let me try to open a notepad. Let me minimize it. Now it will auto detect a notepad. So now just double click on it. Now here you can see different window size options. So let me select our maximize option and click on OK. Now let me close it. Now let me try to reopen the notepad application. Now you can see it's opening in the maximum size window. So let me resize it. So I have resized it right now to the normal window size and let me close it and let me try to reopen the notepad program. So you can see forcefully opening this respective notepad program in the maximum size window. So similarly, you can do the same method which I have shown you right now in order to forcefully open or launch any program in maximum size window. So by using this cool application named as Auto Window Manager, you can forcefully open or launch any program in maximum size window in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.